Welcome to the Odyssey 3D Christmas Design Competition. Unleash your creativity and transform your store into a magical holiday experience. Ready to slay this challenge? First things first, check your email for the competition link. One click and voila, you're in!
We are your festive helpers, here to guide you every step of the way. If you need any details about the prizes, click on the prize icon, and I will fill you in.
Looking for competition rules? I will walk you through the guide button. And if you want to learn how it all works, here is a tutorial video icon. Everything you need for a seamless design journey is here.
Let's get started. Set the stage with a splash of holiday colors. From warm, cozy reds and greens to icy whites and shimmering golds, create a palette that screams Christmas magic. Next, let's transport your visitors to a magical winter wonderland. Choose a backdrop, whether it's a snowy village or a starry North Pole night, and make it truly unforgettable. Now comes the fun part, decorating. Dive into our treasure trove of 3D models, gifts, sparkling ornaments, candy canes, and everything Christmas. Feeling extra creative? Upload your own models and place them just right to make your store truly unique. Want to spread some holiday cheer? Add eye-catching frames to highlight your sales, promotions, or festive greetings and make it magical. You can also choose from our collection of festive tracks and set the mood for an unforgettable holiday shopping experience. Your masterpiece is ready. Don't forget to save any changes, review it, and hit submit to enter the competition. That's it. The countdown to Christmas is on, so grab some cocoa and fire up your creativity. Good luck and happy designing.